Good morning.
Morning.
So, what's your name?
My name is Bahadur Thalal.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Married?
Yes, married man.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
Two children.
In which position you are going to apply? Which position?
I am going to apply cleaner.
Cleaner. So, in Romania, right?
Yes,
Okay, so you have experience before as a cleaner?
yes, ma'am.
Where did you work? In where? In which hotel restaurant you worked before?
Value restaurant is Surkhit,
Is this in Nepal?
Nepal.
All right. For how many years you worked there?
3 years.
3 years. So what you used to do there? Which surface do you used to clean?
Yes, toilet, bathroom, kitchen, and ceiling is other.
So do you comfortable to cleaning toilet, bathroom?
Yes,
So do you know how to dishwash as well?
sometimes.
So you are interested for the dishwasher also?
Yes, also.
Okay, if you are going as a dishwasher in the kitchens department, you have to dishwash like very heavy weight, very in the large size dishes. Will be okay for this one?
Okay, ma'am. No
Okay.
problem.
So you know how to mopping, vacuuming the floor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. So, okay, so are you hardworking persons?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your religion? Buddhist, Christian, Hindu?
Hindu.
Hindu. Do you
Hindu.
used to drink?
No.
Smoke?
No.
Is there anybody in Romania?
No.
Okay, so if you selected, how many years will we stay there? How many years would you like to stay there?
5 years.
So if you have to be there like sometimes 8 to 9 years in the same restaurant, same hotel, same country, will be okay for it?
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, so that's nice. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All the
Thank you.
best.